So alright, here's another tutorial for Photoshop Elements. And in this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use the spot healing brush in order to remove some of these, like traffic cones or cars, to make the picture more pleasurable. You may have people out on the beach and you'd like to remove them. Well, this process, we'll show you how to do it. And it's all within Photoshop's Elements. This tool is also in the original Photoshop, but I guess they converted it down for the Photoshop Elements, so you don't have to spend a lot of money to get this feature, so which is pretty nice. But here's the before, and then here's the after. And as you can see, the cars are removed, the cones are removed, even that little date down there at the corner right here is removed. So it's a pretty neat software enhancement tool that you can use. Now, it's not perfect. You're going to have to do some trial and error, increase the brush size or whatever. But from my experience, the further away you are, the easier it is to heal or cover up. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and duplicate my background layer, which is the bottom layer here. I'm just going to go ahead and drag it to this new layer right here, just so we have something fresh to work with. Alright, so now that we're working on a copy, we're not damaging the original. That's sort of why I like creating a new copy. And we're going to go ahead and select the spot healing brush. You'll notice up here you'll have some selections up here. You can select what kind of brush size you want, and so on. You can click right here how many pixels you would like, and then you want to make sure that Content-Aware is active, and that will help us. Now, when you put your brush over the mat, you'll see the circle. That's your brush, and you can go ahead and increase and decrease in size by using the right bracket for increasing and the left bracket for decreasing. And it works pretty good. I'm just gonna make that brush the size of that cone here, and I'm just gonna click, and I'm gonna let Content-Aware brush healing do the work. And that's basically all we're doing here, is just clicking and removing. Alright, now something for like this big, like a car or something, you may want to increase the brush size, and you may want to do a swipe. Now here's where it may not work so well that you may have to undo it and then redo it. It's trial and error kind of thing. I'm just going to click there. That looked good, and let's go ahead and try to cover up this, see what happens. There you go. That gave a good example. Like if you want to remove these lights right here, you just do a swipe down, and we'll see what it comes up with. That looked pretty good. Remove the date. We're just going to scrub the date, and the date should disappear and covered by asphalt. So it's a pretty neat program. As you can see, with less than 50 seconds of clicking, we've removed a lot of stuff from the background so that the main focus can be on what you originally were taking a photo of. It works great for, if you're taking that photo in your living room and the floor is messy, you can hide some toys and stuff. Or you're on a beach, you can hide those people that are walking, just so that the main focus is your subject. So with that, that's another tutorial for Photoshop Elements. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to leave a comment down here if you like it, and I will see you next time. Thank you.